Enhance your flooring projects with our wooden hand tools for project flooring. Our professional laminate floor guillotine cutter offers durability and precision, suitable for both DIY and industrial-grade projects. With a 3-year warranty and customizable options, this tool is a must-have for professionals. Order now for efficient and accurate results.